Want to find an old message in ChatGPT but don't know how? No worries. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to search your past chats. Let's get started. First, make sure your ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. This feature only works on newer versions. Now, open the ChatGPT app. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on the search icon. Now simply type any keyword related to the message you're trying to find. ChatGPT will instantly search through your previous chats, including both titles and messages, to find matching results. You'll see a list of conversations appear. Just tap on any result to open that chat. It will take you directly to the relevant message. From here, you can scroll through the conversation or continue chatting from where you left off. You can also tap the down arrow to jump to the latest message in that chat. And that's it. That's how you can easily search your old messages in ChatGPT. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.